You do good.
And you cannot start maneuvering your cookie until all the cookies placed on everybody's forehead.
We'll put this on YouTube.
All right, let's go. Come on, Samantha, do it, right? Go ahead. Put it back. Come on, Jerry. Come on, Ronnie. Come on, Echo. If you fall down to the ground, Krishna will give you another one. Let's go, Ronnie. Go with it. Go with it. Go, Ronnie. Go, Ronnie. Come on. Go, Ronnie. Go, Ronnie. Go with it. That's it. That's the way you want to be, right? All right. Well, thank you so much once again, father and daughter. They made it. A big hand for all this, and also the kids who were here before. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Uncle.
YouTube में छोड़ेगा जो मंगा YouTube में छोड़ेगा जो मंगा जाएगा.
Thank you. All right. I am so ready to dance, even though I'm wearing a sari, but I'm so ready to dance. Yes. Before I go ahead and do that, first of all, I want to apologize to most of the ladies. Some of the ladies out here, I was not able to tell them to bring their purse. There's one more. Can I have your attention, please?
Hello, YouTube YouTube.
Ladies, can I have your attention, please?
Go over there.
Now that the president has given the very precious cookies to my friend, so you better keep it safe. All right, ladies, one more thing, and then we can just open the dance floor and switch off the lights so we can enjoy.
Annie,
All the ladies who have their purses in front of them, can you please stand up? Ladies who have their purses in front of them, can you please stand up? Let's stand up, all the ladies. And even there's any gentleman who's carrying a purse tonight, he can also stand up. Don't be shy, I'm not going to ask you to reveal what's in the purse, but
this is gonna go on YouTube.
come on, stand up.
You want to say something to Fiji people? Say something.
I
This
can
is
see
in
your
the
purse
YouTube.
down there, Mrs. Sniper, can you please stand up?
YouTube.
Remember, I was a cop before too, right?
Well, we're having a great evening this evening,
Whose purse is there on,
and the children are enjoying themselves, and their fathers also
and
enjoying
please,
themselves.
can you please stand up? Thank you.
Police
Let's
reunion.
make it as quick as possible so
Ninth
we can
police
dance.
reunion.
It's the 9th
All right.
reunion
Now
of
this is
the
it.
U.S.
I'm going to ask you
and it's being held in
the item
Sacramento.
over there from your purses. If you
Thank
have
you very
the
much.
item,
Have a nice
you
day.
can
Nice evening.
continue to stand up. If you don't, then you get to sit down. Okay? But don't cheat. I might come and, or I might send Krishna to come and look around. So if you don't want